minangka pepundhen kula sampun kersa nenggani putra-putra saking Singalodra wonten bali wismanipun panjenenganipun Bapa Sarkawi. Iki cikal bakal lho Kang. Iki isek trah saking Simbah Rustam. Cikal bakale barungan todanan, barungane gaprak wong Bluro. Sing wis kawentan nak Suswantara. Iki Dicuk Kas. Barungane wong Bluro iki ya masuk UNESCO. Ya muji wae muga-muga Singalodra katimbalan panjenenganipun Bapak Bupati minangka dutane wonten ing barong UNESCO ing sak mangke. Jan matur suwun. Oh nggih Mbah Tamsir. Minangka pepundhenipun barongan todanan ingkang sampun kawentar kala mben menika katimbalan saking penghubung Jawa Tengah minangka dutaning Kabupaten Blora wonten ing Taman Mini Indonesia Indah Jakarta. Gaweane Simbah Rustam wis jajah Nuswantara mula bukane muji wae barungane wong Blora sedelo engkas maju masuk ana ing UNESCO. Kang Timbul, ayo seblake Kang, jaran Kang. Asik. Dampyak gembruduk minangka dutane Sang Panji ngupakara turangga cacahe 144 dina iki tak giring tak ngon ana ing laladan kembang supaya nyengkuh kajate panjenenganipun Bapa Sarkawi dalah Ibu Warsiti kanthi adicara walimatul kitan Kang putra Kang sesilih Nak Mas Bagus Dani Prastya. Mugia Nak Mas Dani Prasetya ndadosaken putra ingkang migunani tumraping keluarga agama nusa lan bangsa. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Allahumma. Waduh, sing pojokan ra kompak. Wis ngunjuk kopi apa urung Imang pojokan kok ketoke kok ngantuk.
Kopine ilang wae.
Kelumpuk-kelumpuk dadung kawuk kala dipa ilu-ilu banaspati sak panunggalaning padha nglumpuk. Nglumpuk ana ing pojokan loretan. Ananging si raja kanggo gawe amarang anak putu Adam sing lagi nyambut gawe ana ing pusakane dina Rebo Kliwon panjenenganipun Bapa Sarkawi dalah Ibu Warsiti yen sira ganggu gawe kena benduning Gusti Allah kamping pindho Rasulullah Pia Adam be Allah wur-wur bekadul tulak sawan balion dalan yen ana sengkala saka etan tilulak wong kaung saka kulon baliya mengetan yen ana sengkala saka kulon tinulak wong kaung saka etan baliya mengulon yen ana sengkala saka kidul tinulak wong kaung saka lor baliya mengidul
Bali mengidul
yen ana sengkala saka lor tinulak wong kaung saka kidul baliya mengalor
Bali ngalor wae
yen ana sengkala saka puser bumi bubar buyar taling kersaning Gusti Allah ayem aku
ayem wae
wingi ya mangami bagya
ndi wae
winginane ya mangayu bagya
iya wae
ning ora kaya dina iki aku ditunggoni pepundhenku Bapatin saka Ndariya iki minangka mujizat soale salah sawijining cikal bakale barongan todanan niku petilasane ya peninggalane Bapa Tam salah sawijine Bapatin minangka trah darahipun pramili menika matur suwun sanget Mbah Tin. Wis jan iki ya ora direncana ndelalah kok iso kepethuk. Tinaribasan ngelmu tanpa japa ya iki. Ayo padha suka parisuka nglibur manahe para pandemen budaya Jawa sing ngrengkuh kajate Bapa Sarkawi. Seblake kitir sumilir kang timbul. Ayo Cong dibudalke. Iki lho. Bocahe. Hai! Yo! Wasyo!
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to say that.
Aku sekarang